Grandma's in the kitchen mid-baking time, whirling with a smile, oh, how she shines. Mixing up the spices with a pinch of love. Gingerbread men rise from the dough above, and when they smile, we all will cheer. Grandma's gingerbread magic fills the year. Rolling out the dough with laughter in the air. Little hands are helping with joy to spare. Cookie cutters flatter the shape, come alive. A sprinkle of memories where love will thrive. And when they bake, the kitchen glows.
Hey, Georgie.
Magic, everybody knows.
Yeah.
Let's make a gingerbread man.
Such a great idea.
Gingerbread men rise from the dough above, and when they smile.
2 cups flour. 1/2 cup softened butter. 1/2 cup syrup or molasses. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 cup brown sugar. 1 teaspoon ginger powder. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. And 1 egg. Now it's time to mix and make the magical dough.
Mix it up, don't take too long. Flour and butter, that's how you belong. Syrup and sugar, we're on the ride. Baking soda in, let the magic slide. Oh, gingerbread man, come alive.
In the kitchen we prepare doughs.
Don't be naughty, Rebel. Such a good boy.
Gingerbread man's a tasty sight. Watch him bake till he's just right.
Oh, gingerbread's a comer now. We place him a cheer. In the oven warmth is near. Glancing through the glass we spy. Golden edges.
Let's bake it first. Into the oven it goes.
Gingerbread guy.
George! Oh my God!
Hi. See you, Granny.
What?
Gingerbread man.
Oh, the gingerbread man!
Run! Run as fast as you can! You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
Oh, please wait! Don't run away from us!
If you don't wait, things might go sideways. Hey!
You all right?
Oof! That leg came out of nowhere. That was close.
Oh, please wait! Don't run away from us!
See you, my patchy friend. Ooh!
Stop! I'm hungry.
Eat your grass. Wow. Haha. Run! Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the Gingerbread Man. Ooh! I ran away from the little old woman. I ran away from the little old man. And I will run away from you too.
You're the Gingerbread Man!
You smell good.
Sure I do.
I wouldn't mind having a bite.
You wish, huh?
Oh, please wait! Don't run away from us!
I ran away from the little old woman, huh? I ran away from the little old man, huh? I ran away from the cow, and I will run away from you too. Run! Run as fast as you can! You can't catch me, I'm the Gingerbread Man.
Wait!
Hi!
Wait!
I ran away from the little old woman. I ran away from the little old man. I ran away from the cow and the horse. And I will run away from you too.
Wait! Wait, my impatient little friend.
Come on, you can do it. Run! Run as fast as you can! You can't catch me, I'm the Gingerbread Man.
I don't want to eat you. I want to be your friend.
I guess I can't swim.
Well, I can swim. Hop on my strong bushy tail, and I'll take you across the river.
With my yummy gingerbread man.
Could you please keep your tail up? I'm getting wet.
My tail is tired. Hop on my back.
Huh?
Ooh! The water's coming up and I'm gonna get wet.
My back is tired. Hop on my nose.
No!
Let me go. Help. Can't breathe. Help. Help.